Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create an interactive quiz in Gemini AI. All right, let's begin. First, open your browser and go to Google. Search for Google Gemini and click the official website from the results. Once you're on the site, locate the Tools section and select Canvas. This is where you can create and structure your content. Next, go to the prompt box and type a clear instruction, such as generate a quiz about branches of science. Keep your request specific so Gemini produces accurate and relevant questions. After entering your prompt, click the Submit button to generate the quiz. Within seconds, Gemini will create a set of questions based on your input. Now, preview the quiz. Go through the questions to check accuracy and engagement. If needed, adjust your prompt and regenerate the quiz. Once satisfied, your interactive quiz is ready to use for learning or sharing. So that's basically how you can create an interactive quiz in Gemini AI. That's it for this video. Thanks.